When finding horizontal asymptotes, there's three cases we need to consider, and all three are dependent on the degree of each polynomial, so the polynomial in the numerator and the polynomial in the denominator. So the first case is if the degree of the polynomial in the numerator is bigger than the degree of the polynomial in the denominator. If that happens, we're not going to have a horizontal asymptote. The second case is if the degree of the polynomial in the numerator is smaller than the degree of the polynomial in the denominator. When that happens, my horizontal asymptote is always going to be y equal to 0. Now when the degree in the numerator and the denominator equal, I create a fraction out of the leading coefficients. So the leading coefficient in the first polynomial over the leading coefficient in the second polynomial. So let's look at our three examples. So in A, I have a degree of 2 in my numerator and a degree of 1 in my denominator. So that would be the top degree bigger than the bottom degree, so I'm going to have no horizontal asymptote. In letter B, I have a degree of 2 in my numerator and a degree of 2 in my denominator. So since they are equal, I'm going to create a fraction out of their leading coefficients. So my leading coefficient in the top is a -2, and my leading coefficient in my denominator is a +1. So I have -2 over 1, which give me a horizontal asymptote at y equal to -2. In C, I have a degree of 0 in my numerator since I have no variable, and I have a degree of 2 in my denominator. So here my top is less than my bottom, so my horizontal asymptote will be at y equal to 0.